I'd like to thank everybody that watched this video, man. If you are in the market for painting your car, you can use the code LSCR10 from Grant 7 Paints and Coatings. LSCR10, you get 10% off the Oh My Clear. When you see that clear, it's gonna make you say, oh my God. We're gonna be using it in the future on something, but if you wasn't in that live, you don't know what it is. But yeah, Grant 7 Paint and Coatings, LSCR10, get you 10% off the Oh My Clear. Tell a friend. It's your boy LSCR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. The hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone. What's going on, y'all? This is your boy LSCR254, man. Tune in for another one. Y'all see what we're working with. Let me move this here out the way so you can see the beauty. Yeah, you can see the beauty of them 22's. So I read the comments. Everybody chimed in on what they thought we should do. In the end, it's my decision, and my little man said it was cool, so we're gonna rock with it. You know what I mean? So that's exactly what we did. So let me show you what we did right here. Right here. Man, that lip. Something about them lips, dog. Make me want to kiss it. Mwah! Yeah, man, so definitely we went ahead, made a final decision on the wheels, man. Shout out to my boy Pride. Y'all make sure y'all check out his channel. Check him out on Instagram at Big Pride Bullies. You know what I mean? I decided to go ahead and get the wheels. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I like them. Junior, LS Junior liked them. And I was helping out my boy at the same time. Like, I would have spent the same whatever, you know, at the junkyard. So what we have here pretty much is just the other two. If y'all don't remember from the other video, I basically said I grabbed two of them from him for the purpose of test fitment. If they didn't fit the way that I needed them to fit, or etc., then I was going to take them back to him. But since they did fit, and they fit the way that I wanted them to, I was saying, give or take a little bit of adjustment, it's all good. We're gonna make it work. So, as you can see here, we got the other two wheels. So we're finna just go ahead and take these out the back of the Ram Reezy. The Ram Reezy. Shout out to the tall guy. Hold on, I might need to use this. Oh, we good. I just had to do like a little crazy, whatever squat. So yeah, these will get a little bit of love and attention on the cleanup. Same way I did them goddamn swingers. And get it poppin'. I'm running out of room for shit. Y'all still don't know what's up under that tarp. You'll never know until that one video gets 500 likes. But hey, surprise me. We may already be there by the time that you see this video. You may already know what's under that tarp. But if you don't, you gotta go back and watch the video. What's going on, y'all? This is your boy LSCR254. You tune in for another one. Yes, you see the shirt, LSCR254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. This is their inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build this Chevy. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel. Watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy LSCR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. You gotta go back and watch that video. I'll put that video up in this corner over there. 500 likes. Breaking news. 500 likes. Let's go. We can do it. Yeah, like I said, rims real good condition, man. Need a little bit of love and attention. Need a little bit of love and attention. Love and attention, love and affection. They gonna work for my purposes. So, if you don't like these wheels and you think I should go get some 4Gs, then some 4Gs or some what you call them shits, or some forged wheels, period, and you think I should like notch my frame and all that good stuff on the CUTLASS, then feel free. I'm gonna send you my PO box. Matter of fact, I'll tell you right now. PO Box 113, Copper Cove, Texas 76522. And you can send them 4Gs, or you can send a check for them forged wheels to PO Box 113, Copper Cove, Texas 76522. Until then, we rocking these. You know what I mean? We rocking these. Oh, upsy daisy. Downsy daisy, however you want to say it. Make sure y'all hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, man, that's pretty much what we got coming. Bro, the garage is just getting filled with shit, man. We got the 22's right here. Eventually, these will be on there sooner than later. So got some other shit we gotta do first. Then I got the swings. I got the 15-inch swings for the ribby. And I got 22-inch swings. I don't know. Everybody got a pair of heels. Everybody got a pair of heels except for the truck. So I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. A lot of people said they look good on C10. When I put them next to it, they actually didn't look bad. A lot of people, unwritten rule, swingers have to be on Vos. I don't think it would look I don't think it would look bad at all. We put the picture on Instagram. Y'all go check it out. But yeah, when we put them 22-inch swingers next to that truck, it look good. It look damn good. So if you want me to have some 22-inch folders or whatever, unless I run across a deal and my priorities and everything else is in check the block. Because let me tell you, these tires are 265, 35, 22, right? 265, 35, 22. Well, you know, we was talking about going a little bit narrower because of, you know, the rubber issue we was having that could be solved with this narrower tire and a narrower tire as well as a spacer. So if we went with these tires, which happen to be 255 30 22s, if you look at them, they're not too thin. You know what I'm saying? They look just right. You know what I'm saying? If it's a little bit narrower, it'll fit on those wheels. I can basically take these tires off of here, which are good, put them on those wheels, and then I take those tires that either I get through a deal or I either get them through a deal or y'all send me a set. P.O. Box 113, Coppers Code Texas 76522. Either way, I appreciate it. Yeah, so I might just do it like that. Or I just get another set of whatever. Like if I get a set of those, then I'll take those tires off of those swingers and put them on the CUTLASS wheels. If not, guess what? The C10 will be on these tires, and I'll just need to get some smaller tires for the CUTLASS. So yeah, that's pretty much the update. That's pretty much the plan. Thank y'all for watching, tuning in. Man, these beauties are coming together. The lips though, mwah! Looking good, girl. Yeah, you is. Throw $1 at your ass. Yeah, everything looks good. All these girls are coming together. You know what I'm saying? All these girls are coming together. You know what I'm saying? She don't look like what she did when she came. You know what I'm saying? She don't look like she did when she came. You know what I'm saying? This one got pushed in, and then I did the LS swap on it. You know what I'm saying? Linked up with another YouTuber, painted it. That's the video I'm gonna put up there. And then this video, but it's called Hill. You know what I'm saying? This is what brought a lot of you to the channel. You know what I'm saying? This right here, and it done made leaps and bounds of progress right in my driveway. I ain't never had to send my shit out to a shop. I ain't never had to go pull up on nobody by my car. It's everything you're doing right here. So, like I said, coming together. A couple final steps. Thank God that I don't look like what I've been through. Hallelujah. But yeah, man, it's your boy. I'm gonna sign this video off, man. It's your boy LSCR254, man. Remember, identify your weaknesses. Make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity. Procrastination.